Well, you know what that means. It's time for some garden goodies. And this week, Justin, he's not in his garden. Instead, he's in a place that's growing, well, even more than he does, and is also working to instill that knowledge onto people who want to learn more about gardening.
This week on Garden Goodies, we're learning a little bit more about gardening. I could always learn a little bit more to be more successful, and so could you. And to hear more about that, I'm with Trevor Frank, the faculty member of the Garden to Market program at NTC. Could you explain how getting hands-on experience, like say here in the greenhouse, really helps students learn more about gardening and farming?
Sure. So we're here in our high tunnel greenhouse that we use for the Garden to Market program. And in this high tunnel, we teach students how to extend the growing season here in north central Wisconsin. We start planting in here late March, early April, depending on our spring weather. And then we can go all the way through the fall as long as Mother Nature lets us. And so we can do a lot of succession planting and growing different flowers, herbs, and vegetables in this high tunnel.
And for people who might be thinking about a career in farming, that's something to really consider, is how long the growing season is and how do you continue to earn income over a longer period of time.
What we're doing in this program is teaching students how can we successfully run a business, a seasonal business, and then also how can we generate some income and make a decent living on this sort of thing.
And it's really a kind of a holistic program where you learn how to grow the food, but then it is used at NTC as well, right? People can actually eat this food.
Yeah, and that's what's great. So the students learn how to market and sell the product. So they're selling to our culinary arts program where students are cooking every day and learning how to be chefs. We sell to our campus cafe for the salad bar, and then the students can also sell on their own as well. And then we take a look at the accounting and the books, and we learn how to market things and how to price point product.
And I'd have to say this is probably the biggest kale I have ever seen.
Started this kale out in our greenhouse, so we planted the seeds, then we grew the plants in the greenhouse, we transplanted into the greenhouse here, and so they've been growing ever since late March, early April.
And here we're taking a look at a couple of other vegetables that are growing quite well in the high tunnel.
So we have some tomatoes that are trellised that the students have been growing. We've got, I think, 4 different varieties of tomatoes. And then we've also got quite a variety of peppers, mainly the sweet types. We do grow some hot types as well. But in front of us, we've got some sweet bell or sweet banana type peppers.
If you had to suggest something we can eat later in the show, what's a favorite recipe or something you like to eat this time of year?
This time of year, I love fresh sweet bell peppers. I like to make a Southwest stuffed bell pepper recipe at home.
Oh, well, you'll have to give me that recipe, and we'll try the Southwest stuffed bell peppers later in the show, so stay tuned for that.